Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a travel vlog. We're here at Club Mahindra Ashtamudi. Ashtamudi means 8 braids in the language of Malayalam. It's famous for its houseboats and backwater resorts. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the experience and how it is. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Day one is all about the entrance that we had, where we stayed, and the view that we got, and water lilies, and the baby crab. As you enter, I'm taking into the virtual tour of Ashtamudi Club Mahindra, a resort nestled right on the banks of Ashtamudi Lake, Kerala's second largest lake, and its interiors or ambience was authentic with an elephant and a kuttuvelakku, which welcomes you into the lush green resort. Get ready to get blown away by the stunning waters and lush greenery that surrounds this place. The view from the lake is breathtaking, and the coconut trees always amuse me. Staying in Ashtamudi Club Mahindra is not just about accommodation itself, it's about an entire experience. From the moment you arrive at the resort, you will be greeted by the warm hospitality of the staff who are always ready to assist you with anything you need. The resort offers a variety of activities and amenities to keep you entertained throughout your stay, including boating on the lake, exploring nearby villages. We went for day two, and in the traditional boat, which you can go for a ride uh, at a discounted price if you are at the Club Mahindra. And then this is part of a 1 hour boat ride or 2 hours, and it takes you to the mangroves, to the through the backwaters. So it was wonderful. And now, if you notice, you will be looking at the floating cottages. The floating cottages gives you a different experience. That's what we learned, but we did not actually stay in the floating cottage. We were staying in the chalet. That's a beautiful small boat, and most of them were doing fisheries. So there is a lot of fishermen you could see around, and they were literally fishing early in the morning. This is around 6 o'clock, and this is the view from the seafood restaurant. So let me take you around the property and its amenities. So beautifully wishing good morning to this water lilies. We just walked through the resort, and this is the way, and you could see a lot of plants. Most of them should have some or the other Ayurvedic specialities. And then it leads into the swimming pool, where we had quite a few people swimming. And then past that, we just walked, because our purpose is only to show you how the entire resort is. And lot of bamboo trees they have been growing, and a small baby crab came out to say good morning to us. One side we could see this beautiful daisies smiling at us in the morning, and it was an excellent view. So all around, we came around back to our chalet, and that's how our day one went. And our day two was at Varkala Beach in Kerala. It looks like all of a sudden we are in Goa, and where the beach, but it is different here, because the beach and the backwaters meet here, literally creating a paradise unlike any other. And we were on the cliff like place where we could view the entire Arabian Sea. It was quite a sunny day, So it was like we just have to, we were not ready to get ourselves wet in the beach. And I just want you to listen to the sound. And Aiden is just standing there and beautifully viewing the cliff. He'd not even noticed that I was recording him. Just now he noticed. Yes, again, he would say hi to all of us. Yep. And then you saw in our last vlog about God's own country kitchen. So I'm not going to show or talk to you more about it. I will just share the link in the cards. You can just check it out. From the restaurant as well, the view was awesome. More of the beach just outside the restaurant. And then we were ready to hit the road again. One side you could see the backwaters, and the other side is the beach. That's a long road all the way through from Varkala Beach to Kollam, where we were back to our resort stay in Club Mahindra. Now we are in day 3 at the resort, and around 12 in the afternoon, we went for a boat ride. This boat ride is beautiful on the backwaters. You will now listen how we cheered the captain of. Yes, that's how we cheered him when he took us into the mangroves. I literally forgot to video how that will be because we were so much enjoying it. Now, back from the backwaters that into the mangroves, from the mangroves, we are heading towards our resort. So, from the waters, this is how the resort was looking. All the floating cottages were lined up, and it was a serene and calm and peaceful view that you will not get when we get back to our busy life.
So guys, that was our 3 days here at Club Mahindra Ashtamudi. We had some very fun activities. I tried fishing for the first time. We went through the mangroves and had some amazing food. So don't forget to try it, like it, and share it.